guys, it's Wengie and Max.
I thought you were just gonna get into it and then you introduced me.
Yeah, I caught you off guard, didn't I? This is a challenge after all. I'm competitive. And speaking of competitions, we currently have a MacBook Air competition and congratulations! The MacBook winner is... I'll be contacting you shortly. Also, my single Talk is out. Go check it out on my music channel. I'm gonna overlay part of the music video over Max's face.
Hey.
Today we're gonna be turning candy food into slime.
Ooh, we've done one of these challenges before and
I won.
You won. It's my turn to redeem myself.
Let's go. Alright, so our first round. Oh, my voice just kind of popped a bit there.
First round.
We're gonna be doing macarons.
Maca what? So where are they?
You wanted to eat the macarons? Is that why you're here?
Yes.
Well, we're gonna be doing it off memory. You know what? I have something else prepared. There's a macaron on the bottom of this lamp.
Is that what a macaron looks like?
Yes.
We got bowls.
Our bowl right here.
I assume these are going to be used.
We get to pick our colors, right? I'm gonna...
Wait, you just get to pick one for... What happened to equal opportunity?
Rolling up my sleeves.
I have a plan as well. Who thinks she doesn't copy me? Because my plan's gonna be go big or go home. That's what I'm saying.
Ooh, it actually looks kind of like baked goods.
Pavlova. I think you're making the wrong candy today.
Macarons are kind of fluffy like pavlova. Alright, I think I'm done with that. Oh, I love the feel of the Daiso clay. You know what? I could just make a macaron out of this. Can I just make a macaron out of this? This feels really good. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that looks good.
You know what? I'm almost done.
You can't be almost done. You've only done like one block.
What are you doing, Max? They look horrendous.
These look like burgers that have gone off.
Bad moldy green cheeseburger. Look how beautiful these two loaves are. Look, they're smooth, they're round, they're bubbly, guys. Look at this. This is beautiful.
Now is the time for the slime.
Are we wrapping now?
Now is the time for slime. You like that rhyme? They call me Slime Shady.
Oh!
Okay, I need, what do I need? I need help. How are you gonna keep them in shape? You see, I don't think you
Maybe you
thought
should ask yourself that question. How do you stay in shape? Do you stay in shape?
This is getting real personal.
Why is it taking so long to activate?
Oh.
No heckling. Alright, we are finally done. Check out this slime. It is lit.
I am so excited to see my macarons today. I'm gonna flip one side over.
Alright.
Ready for this? Oh. This is how a real baker does it.
Alright, well, that's Wengie's macaron. What do you guys think?
I'm so excited.
Not bad, not bad. Just plonk my thing inside my little burger. Smash this top burger on. Oh boy. There it is. Done.
Wasn't that moment where I put the cream inside and put it on top really satisfying? Like as if you made a real macaron?
We'll let them decide. Vote down below whose macaron you think was the best. Now, let's mix our macaron. Oh, dude.
Look at that, look at that, look at that.
I'm just gonna press mine in. Destruction of the macaron. Ooh. Oh, you made a poo. Okay, now all my slime is gone. You can pretty much just see Daiso clay. Very good. Oh, yours looks so good. Oh my gosh, mine is melting. I don't know what I can describe mine as, but it more feels like dough.
Listen to this.
Look at my stretch. Oh no.
Alright, vote for who your favorite was down below and let's move on to the next round. Alright, we are here for round 2. It's chocolate mousse!
Chocolate mousse and I had a hot date the other day.
What? You ate chocolate mousse without telling me? I bought that chocolate mousse for the video, you ate it!
In my belly now. Thank you very much. You snooze.
There was a label on it. It said
The
for
label
video.
said for Max's belly.
Well, now we're gonna have to make it without really any reference.
Let's go. We got this chocolate mousse.
I'm back to the fluffy slime. Ooh.
I was literally offering you the color, and meanwhile you were trying to sabotage me.
Revenge, because you ate all the chocolate mousse. I didn't put that brown. This looks like caramel.
Mine looks like melted chocolate right now.
I
I got chocolate mousse in my belly. We're gonna make the fluffiest chocolate mousse in the world. You know what I'm saying? The fluffier the mousse, the better. Alright.
What are you looking for?
Excuse me, kind sir. Madame, could you please pass me the brown?
Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. I like my mousse a little bit dark. I'm a dark chocolate lover.
I like my mousse in my belly.
Really? I don't think we have enough food bags for you in that case.
Mousse is meant to be light. The lighter the mousse, the better. It does look good, right?
I lost all my fur.
Alright, I'm activating. I'm leaving you in the dust. Activator be weak AF. You know what I mean? I might actually win this round, guys.
We'll see if that. Oh, look at the string.
By the way, I never realized, why do you get a proper mixing spoon and I get this little nubbin? I don't know if mine's gonna come together. I feel like I perhaps did not add enough actual glue and now I have too much shaving foam.
It's beautiful.
Look at you holding the... Wait, hey!
You stuck your arm over my
Get
leg.
this off! Why do you have dirty fingers?
What's wrong with this activator? It's just really not activating anything.
It's weak. I got swindled by the person who sold me the activator. They mixed it with salt. Most expensive activator in my life, by the way. I don't even want to tell you guys, but I will. $48 for one box of activator. Like, dude, literally robbed me, like, in the open, in public. My dignity gone.
You know what? It's still very satisfying to play with.
But is it as satisfying as mine? Oh, baby. He's a thick boy. Alright, we gotta serve our mousse in a bowl. We gotta make it look presentable.
Okay.
The most presentable, delicious looking chocolate mousse wins.
Alright.
You ready?
You are on.
I got this.
I'm gonna stretch it good.
Oh, you're copying me. Check out this thick boy. He'd be so thick, he doesn't even know what to do with himself.
Are you talking about yourself?
It is looking lit. Got one opportunity, one chance, no do-overs. Alright, there it is. You guys let me know, which chocolate mousse would you rather eat? My delicious, fluffy looking full bowl?
Or my very dark chocolatey with
Well, I'm gonna eat it, but yeah.
Alright guys, go down below, vote now, and let's move on to the next round. Let's go. And we are gonna be making Fruit Loops!
Ooh, okay, Fruit Loops. I like it. I know what it is. That's all.
You are a Fruit Loop.
Okay.
Alright guys, let's start the round and see who wins the final decision.
Gonna be me.
Ooh. Sorry guys. Alright, I think this is enough milk for now. Mine is soy milk because I can't drink regular milk.
Oh, mine is regular milk, straight from the cow's milk.
I don't want to put too much shaving foam because last round we did and it wouldn't activate. So I don't know what you're doing.
I have a short memory span.
Oh, look at this. It's activated.
Rapid fire.
Why didn't we put it in a squeezy bottle? Why didn't we put it in a pump bottle? That's like different.
You know, sometimes beggars can't be choosers. And we didn't have a squeezy bottle.
Oh, look how stringy my milk is. This is not right.
Ew, that is some off milk. Okay guys, if you see milk like that, throw it away in the bin.
By the way, this is when I should really lift weights.
This is my advantage. I'm supposedly stronger than her, so I should be able to do this.
Alright, we have some slime.
Ooh, mine feels pretty good, actually.
I'm doing a 5-minute break. I'm very tired.
No timeouts.
I feel a bit low-key.
My milk is finally done. We're sharing this, right? I get some of this, don't I?
Yeah, but don't use all of it.
Look at that. Perfect! Fruit Loop.
Mine's too small.
What are you making those Fruit Loops for? Are you making them for ants?
Actually, you know what? You're right. Okay, I'm gonna make a giant Fruit Loop like you.
Oh, you're copying me.
One Fruit Loop.
It's just about as ugly as mine.
No, mine's pretty. Look.
Okay. You know I'm getting lazier, but my Fruit Loops get bigger and bigger.
That's like a donut.
You can see my progression of laziness. I got lazier with each one. Honestly, if I could redesign Fruit Loops, I would make each one of them giant. Like, if I'm gonna be real, I would eat giant Fruit Loops.
Your giant Fruit Loop is lit.
If they don't, they should. And if they don't, I'm officially trademarking, okay? Come at me, Uncle Toby's.
Tell them.
Uncle Toby's an Australian brand.
But no one else knows what you're talking about.
I got confused.
They're just like, who's Uncle Toby?
If you guys didn't think I was a freak before, now you definitely know I'm a freak. What am I doing? Why am I joining it into a snake when I can just do... Oh, I can just do this. Oh my gosh! The easiest life hack you've ever seen.
You know what? My Fruit Loops are all different sizes too.
See, you think you're better than me, but in actual fact, you realize
I am better than you.
you're the same as me.
No.
We're both plebs.
My each Fruit Loop is more attractive than your individual Fruit Loop. They're
What was that
smooth.
sentence?
My each Fruit Loop.
I don't know if you can see on the screen, guys. I have no idea what happened to my Fruit Loops. They turned into bagels. I started off so promising. You know, my career had a lot of promise. And now I don't know what happened. Can I borrow some of your glue, please?
No?
Thank you.
Hold on, let me think. I overthunk it.
All yellow Fruit Loops. That's what you need. This one right here looks more like a cheesel. I'm done. I'm done! Woo! How do you like them apples? Fruit
They're
Loops?
not apples. This looks pretty good so far. Look at that. Alright guys, I am done with all my Fruit Loops.
I'm done as well. I've been waiting for you.
Oh, whoa, don't you want to place them properly?
No, this is the most natural way of them falling in. Just like, you know, whatever. Oh,
This is why you shouldn't play with your food.
what's that? Oh, we'll let the audience be the judge of which ball they think looks better. Make your votes down below. Let us know who you think won this challenge.
I'm gonna eat my Fruit Loops, guys. No! Aw, look at that.
Oh, the satisfaction.
Oh gosh. You know what this is gonna turn into?
What?
It's gonna end up looking like chocolate. You know what? Look.
This is mine.
Ooh, it's popping. Mine's turning to a bit of a grey color.
Ew.
You know what we should do?
What?
Mix all the slime! Look how fluffy this is. Oh, it looks like dessert heaven. I really want to eat this right now. Gross. Okay, this is getting very, very messy. Ooh, the macaron. Ew, bad idea mixing all the slime. Who do you think won?
Definitely me.
Well, we'll know next week and we'll see you guys then. Bye guys!